안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Aliyah. So I'm here to deliver your 4,000 pesos Sachon peso for you from Kim Byung-yong Nim.
Uncle Kim Byung-yong님, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, 안녕하세요, Jillian.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so I'm here to deliver. You have here Sal Hanpong, 25 kilo of rice, and then Sachon peso for you. Please receive. Okay. And that is from Kim Byung-yong Nim.
Kim Byung-yong님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo Althea. Okay, so busy ka karon? You're doing laundry? Okay. Laundry. Your mama o uma o digaso working. Araso. Okay, so you're the one taking care of your brother and sister, no? Younger brother and sister while doing laundry. Per se. Manakagkaon? Managkaon? Dito. Okay. So I'm here to deliver. You have here sal. 25 kilogram of rice and then 2 tong of choco pie and chokes to go also. Chokes to go do. And when is your birthday ganinday?
February 5,
February 5. So you're turning pilay mo edad?
13.
Yol Cesal.
Ayun.
Yol Cesal. Okay, so current name Jushin 3,000 pesos for your birthday. Birthday na mo ha. Okay.
Randinim, 감사합니다.
Okay. And also Cham Korendinim Isoyo Bedalfi Obik Peso. Korendinim kamsamida. Bye bye. Okay. 안녕하세요. Chiska.
안녕하세요.
Okay. May gabi. Okay, I'm here to deliver your pizza. Okay. Tupan for you. Kuha inday kani sa usa. Duha sa. That is worth 1,000 pesos. So you have change. Namujinon 120 pesos for cola fee. Palit na coke in there. Okay. And also that one is from Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, 감사합니다.
Okay. And also yung Jinim Jushin. Yung Jinim Jushin Tupan also. Okay.
Yongjinim, 감사합니다.
Yung Jinim Isoyo Bedal fee Ubik peso. Yung Jinim kamsamida. Bye bye.
Bye.
Nabalik ko.
Iska. Oh, nibalik si kuya nimo.
Ayo, nagkaon na kainday sa pizza.
Ayaw pa doon.
Na-open na nimo ang pizza? Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot the Your Yongton 1,000 pesos from Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, 감사합니다.
Nakapalit ay coke. Jilo. Sige, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Good evening. So late na kayo. Okay, I'm here to deliver your pizza. Special pizza na imo hinday ha. Haruhay pizza. Na siya change one worth 1k man, so na siya change 120 for cola fee. Nipalit na nimo ko. And then tomorrow magsimba mo. Kisa ko yung nimo simba.
Isa o isa niya.
So this will be your moko fee. Para palit-palit niyo kaon para uma 1,000 pesos also from Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Niapasang usa. Okay. So, yesterday Kim Yong-sunim gives us pizza. Okay. So, pizza tupan for us and then palit na lang tag coke sa sukli to change. Okay. Kim Yong-sunim.
Kim Yong-sunim, 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, Caitlin. Good evening. I'm here to deliver your pizza. Okay. Pizza, special pizza, Haruhay pizza worth 1,000. Okay. Kanya nice sukli inday change 120. Depende na nimo sa ano ha. Okay, that is from SG Nim.
SJ Nim, kamsamida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.